Hello, Positive Vibes family. We appreciate our old subscribers for sticking around and extend a warm welcome to our new viewers. This is your go-to spot for positivity, self-improvement, and honing those ever-important communication skills. We're all about fostering a supportive community where we lift each other up and strive to be the best versions of ourselves. Now let's dive into today's topic: how to make conversation with anyone. Yes, you heard it right, anyone. Whether it's that quiet coworker, the friendly barista at your favorite coffee shop, or a potential new friend at a social gathering, we've got you covered. We'll be sharing practical, easy-to-follow steps that can help you navigate any social situation with grace and confidence. So buckle up and get ready for a journey into the art of conversation. Stay tuned as we delve into practical and easy-to-follow steps on how to make conversation with anyone. Have you ever wondered why some people can strike up a conversation with anyone, anywhere, anytime? It's because they've mastered the art of good conversation skills. These skills are like the keys that open doors to countless opportunities, both in personal and professional life. They allow you to form deep connections, establish trust, and build lasting relationships. In your professional life, good conversation skills can help you network effectively, negotiate better, and make a positive impression that can lead to career advancements. In your personal life, these skills can help you form stronger bonds with friends and family, understand others better, and open up new worlds of experience. Moreover, good conversation skills can significantly boost your confidence. By mastering these skills, you're not just improving your ability to communicate, you're also enhancing your understanding of the world around you and the people in it. With good conversation skills, you can become a social butterfly, effortlessly engaging with people from all walks of life. Now, the first step to making conversation with anyone is to approach with confidence. Confidence is more than just a state of mind, it's a visible aura that others can pick up on, and it plays a crucial role in initiating a conversation. But how can we project this confidence? Firstly, let's talk about posture. Standing tall and straight sends a message that you're secure and sure of yourself. Similarly, making eye contact is another powerful tool. It shows that you're genuinely interested in the other person and are open to engaging with them. Lastly, don't forget to flash that winning smile of yours. A smile is a universal sign of friendliness and can instantly make others feel more comfortable around you. These small changes can significantly boost your confidence and make you more approachable. Remember, confidence is key. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Moving on to the second step, use open-ended questions to keep the conversation flowing. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are open-ended questions? Well, these are questions that can't be answered with a simple yes or no. They require more thought and lead to longer responses, giving you more information to work with and keep the conversation going. For example, instead of asking, "Did you have a good weekend?" which can be answered with a simple yes or no, try asking, "What did you do over the weekend?" This invites the other person to share more detail, opening up multiple avenues for the conversation to continue. You see, the beauty of open-ended questions lies in their ability to encourage a deeper, more meaningful exchange of ideas. Another great example of an open-ended question is, "How did you get into your line of work?" as opposed to, "Do you like your job?" The first question encourages a narrative, a story, something we all love to share. It's these stories that help us connect on a more personal level, fostering a sense of understanding and empathy. Open-ended questions are also a fantastic way to show that you're genuinely interested in what the other person has to say. They show that you're not just seeking to fill the silence, but that you want to understand their perspective, their experiences, their world. So the next time you're in a conversation, whether it's with a new acquaintance, a longtime friend, or a potential business partner, remember to use open-ended questions. Ask about their experiences, their opinions, their dreams. Dive into the details. By asking open-ended questions, you allow the other person to share more about themselves, keeping the conversation engaging and balanced. You're not just talking, you're creating a dialogue, a two-way street of communication. And that, my friends, is the essence of a truly great conversation. The third and perhaps most important step is to listen actively and respond thoughtfully. Active listening is more than just hearing the words spoken by the other person. It's about being fully engaged, showing genuine interest, and seeking to understand the speaker's thoughts, feelings, and perspectives. Let's talk about how we can demonstrate active listening. One way is through nonverbal cues like nodding. This small gesture can have a big impact. It communicates to the speaker that you're present, you're engaged, and you're following along. Another way to show you're listening is by maintaining eye contact. Now, we're not talking about a staring contest here. It's a subtle, respectful form of eye contact that communicates attentiveness and interest. A third method is through verbal feedback. This could be as simple as repeating or paraphrasing what the other person said. For example, if someone tells you about their weekend camping trip, you might respond with, "It sounds like you had an adventurous weekend camping. I'm curious, what was your favorite part?" This shows that you're not only listening but also interested in diving deeper into the conversation. Now, let's move on to responding thoughtfully. This doesn't mean you have to agree with everything the other person says. It's about respecting their viewpoint and responding in a way that furthers the conversation. For instance, if you disagree, you might say, "That's an interesting perspective. I see things a little differently." And then respectfully share your viewpoint. Responding thoughtfully also means avoiding interruptions. Allow the speaker to finish their thought before you jump in with yours. This shows consideration and respect for their input. In a nutshell, active listening and thoughtful responses are about showing the other person that you value their thoughts and feelings. It's about building a connection and fostering a mutual understanding. By listening actively and responding thoughtfully, you show respect and interest, which are key to building rapport and maintaining a positive conversation. So there you have it, simple, practical steps to making conversation with anyone. Let's quickly recap. First, stride into the room with confidence. Remember, confidence is key. Next, engage others with open-ended questions. This encourages more meaningful responses and keeps the conversation flowing. Finally, listen actively and respond thoughtfully. Genuine interest and thoughtful responses will make anyone feel valued and appreciated, but don't just take our word for it. Try these techniques out for yourself. The next time you're at a social gathering or just out and about, put these steps into action. You'll be amazed at the difference they make. And remember, practice makes perfect. So don't get discouraged if it's not smooth sailing from the get-go. Now it's over to you. Put these steps into action and see the difference they make. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends who might find it helpful. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more positive vibes. Until next time, keep the conversation flowing.